Rastafari, calling all the faithful, calling the Zion brothers, from the hills of Kingston to the concrete jungle of Los Santos. Babylon, your walls are gonna crumble. Listen this sound. We come from the roots where the real herbs grow, where the drum beat heavy and the rivers flow. Now we set foot on this new domain, bringing the truth through the wind and the rain. No copyright chains can bind up our soul. In this new world we take full control. The city streets them cold and them grey, but Jaja light guide us every single day. Among the high towers and the asphalt terrain, the Zion brothers them a ease up the pain. We trod through the valley of shadow and doubt, but we know what the righteous living is about. We are the Zion brothers, standing tall. Guidance from Selassie, we hear the call. The city pavement is our ground, fighting Babylon with a righteous sound. One heart, one aim, we live it. Zion brothers, we step through the gate. Whoa, Babylon system is a fraud and a lie. Them want make the poor man suffer and cry. Them with them corruption, them law and them greed, but a pure liberty is all that we need. We chant down the matrix with rhythm and verse, break up the shackles, lift up the curse. Bloodline thicker than the water them sell. Together we stand, together we dwell. My brother is my shield when the enemy near. We jab by our side, we have no fear. No division in this your holy clan. Every Zion brother is a righteous man. We are the Zion brothers, standing tall. Guidance from Selassie, we hear the call. The city pavement is our ground, fighting Babylon with a righteous sound. One heart, one aim, we live it. Zion brothers, we step through the gate. Whoa, we don't deal with the wicked, we don't deal with the crime. We just clean up the streets, one day at a time. Selling the culture, the peace and the sound. No dirty business upon our ground. Let them police patrol, let them watch from afar. Them can't dim the light of the morning star. Look at our crown, see the dreadlocks aflow, a symbol of power that Babylon don't know. We hold up our heads, we never look down. No wicked man can steal our golden crown. Proud of our nation, proud of our name. This are no illusion, this are no game. Selassie, protect the brotherhood, shield us from the wolves in our sheep clothing. Fire a go burn the clean face hypocrites. Them who talk sweet but them heart full of tricks. We see through the mask, we see through the scheme. Zion brothers living the prophetic dream. Word, sound and power, that are our tool to open the eyes of the blind and the fool. So hear this your chant from the ghetto to the hill. The fire we kindle a go burning still. Tomorrow belongs to the righteous and brave. No Zion brother shall ever be a slave. We building the kingdom right here on the scene, praising King Alpha again and again. We are the Zion brothers, standing tall. Guidance from Selassie, we hear the call. The city pavement is our ground, fighting Babylon with a righteous sound. One heart, one aim, we live it. Zion brothers, we step through the gate. Yeah man, whoa. 8 times the power, 8 times the fire. Zion brothers sound system ruling the city. Jah Rastafari, eternal king. One love, one destiny. We go with Zion brothers.